Wondering how many CBD gummies you should actually take? Let's break it down simply. CBD dosage isn't one size fits all. It depends on your body, your goals, and the strength of your gummies. A good starting point is around 10 to 25 milligrams per day, so half of a SMOKO CBD gummy, especially if you're new to CBD. From there, increase slowly, about 5 milligrams every week. Your ideal dose depends on things like weight, metabolism, and what you're using CBD for. The key rule? Start low and go slow. Take the same dose consistently and track how you feel. And don't overdo it. UK guidance suggests around 10 milligrams per day for safety, down from the previous recommendation of 70 milligrams. Check out the full range from SMOKO CBD by clicking the link in the description.